can run on for a long time, run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later gotta cut you down, sooner or later gotta cut you down. Go tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him that God's gonna cut him down, tell him that God's gonna cut him down.
There was one big toad stood there, and then I saw more go over, but I didn't see any horns. But that's a good sign. There was a guy at our first spot, so now we're down here trying to find something else. We got a little bit of a late start, but we're starting to see deer.
Caleb, feelings?
Hoping to get a big one, but hoping we get it done.
Hunter, feelings? You ready for this?
I want a nice spike with high guards for him. It's up to you.
I don't know.
It's up to you. If you wanna take him, you take him. If not, we might see a big one. We might not. You never know. Why? Oh, I was supposed to. Right when you said that, I was panning down that hillside and I saw him. Passed up on a 3-point. Just wasn't that big, and just a 3x2. But I think if it was probably that third on that second side, probably would have dropped him. But just not sure. Probably not in yet. Probably just gonna hold out for probably a bigger buck.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah. Wow. Saw one more 3x2. Nice high guard, but Caleb decided to pass, and I think he made the right decision. It's only like 9 o'clock, so we're gonna keep glassing. Around noon, we'll probably go get some lunch, and then we'll come back and go to a different spot. But hoping for something to turn up. One broadside. Wait for the one on the right. All right, shoot him right there. High, reload, reload. Low it, aim at his elbow. Smoked him. You got him, buddy. Oh, he's down. No.
Joe, what just happened, dude?
Dude, we're bombing out of here to go try to find one of those forking horns we saw earlier. And Hunter spots this buck. He's like, I'm pretty sure that's a dandy buck. And I looked for 1 second. I was like, that's not a buck to
It
mess
is dumping snow
I was
now.
like, that's not a buck to mess around with. So I'm hauling, and we get down here, and we don't see him at first. And I spot him all the way across, and I'm like, dude, that's a dandy. And there was 2 forking horns and a dandy buck. And it took a little while for him to find it just because it's snow. His scope was fogging up.
It's kind of a darker spot of the hill, too.
Finally, he finds it.
Yeah.
He shot a little high, and I was like, dude, aim a little lower. Dude, he just clobbered him. That deer goes flying. Oh, my goodness, dude. It's a dandy. We're going to get down there and get to him.
Caleb, nice shoot, buddy. Oh, I see him. Caleb, first impressions?
Oh, he's a giant fork. He's a giant fork. He's a big fork.
No way.
Dude,
Dude, he's a big forking horn.
Really?
that's a smash report.
Look how freaking big his body is.
Caleb,
Dude,
Big forking horn.
I definitely thought he was a lot bigger than that.
I thought he was a arm. Jello.
Oh yeah.
Caleb,
You
happy
put
with him?
around.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
That is a.
He'll do
That's a
really
nice
nice
forking
horn.
horn.
God damn. Well, guys, here we are. Last minute. I mean, literally last 30 minutes of daylight. We spotted the buck. Hunter did. And I instantly looked at it and I was like, we gotta go. And, I mean, it started dumping snow. We snuck through the buckbrush. Didn't see him. And then I kind of was glassing this hillside and I was like, oh, there they are. And there was 2 bucks fighting. And so he's getting his scope unfogged and I was determining which one was the biggest, and this one was, and we actually thought this one was actually a brute. I mean, in the video, he just looks like a tank. He's walking around like he's the stuff. I mean, and we were like, oh shoot. And we dialed the gun, but we forgot for the angle, so he shot a little high. But luckily, he stood there for another one, and Caleb just pounded him. So, I mean, yeah, it's pretty awesome. And the fact that he's a big forking horn is just funny. I mean, but he's got some cool characteristic, long main beams. Second biggest buck we've seen today. We saw a 3x2, but he was a little bit smaller than this. But nice buck. But yeah, what do you guys think?
Very awesome. Yeah. Good clutch shooting last minute. Put the pound on him. So.
Oh, yeah.
Shot.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna get packed up and be ready for a cold, steep pack out.
It's steep. We're gonna go.
Yeah.
That's a steep angle.
It's steeper looking back than it was shooting at it. So we'll take care of him and get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys.